In this world of artificial intelligence, are you still struggling with the digital marketing manually? Well, by the end of this video, you will get to know the 9 best AI tools out there for digital marketing. So let's get started with it already. So the first one is ManyChats. It helps you connect with your customers and automate all the interactions with your customers, whether any social media platform, it can be Facebook, Instagram, or any other. And the second one is Wix. It helps you create websites in a better way, and you will be able to do it on your own. And the next one is Evolve AI. It helps you monitor the customer behavior, and earlier it used to be A/B testing, but now you can get it quite well, the customer behavior, with Evolve AI. And the next one is Grammarly. Grammarly now also comes with the AI, and its AI is really spot on, and we can just use it to our advantage and get the best write-ups for our digital marketing. The next tool is BuzzSumo. It is also a good tool for getting content creative ideas. And the next tool is Rev AI. It helps you with the human generated transcripts. And the next tool is WordTune. Here you can convert all your thoughts into the words, and it will be quite handy for your digital marketing. So the next tool is MarketMuse, and in this you will be able to strategize all your stuff and data to the best of your advantage. And the next tool and the last one is Descript. It basically helps you with almost every single thing out there. It can be video editing, podcast, screen recording, transcription, and many others. So this one is quite a good tool, and GPT-4 is also coming to it. And if you want to see detailed videos on these particular applications or platforms, you can always comment down below. Our team will be happy to help you out. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.